Hi guys, welcome to Tech Geek. So today we are back with amazing opportunities for the batch of 2022, 2023 and 2024. So the major companies that are hiring right now for these batches and even few of the earlier ones are Atlassian, Teradata, Uber, Craze and many more. So before letting you know about these amazing opportunities, a humble request to you all. So if you are looking for a job change or better opportunities, internships, or new career start for freshers, do go to my LinkedIn channel as well as Telegram channel, follow and subscribe them because I am not able to, create videos on each and every opening, but it's quite easy to share the link directly and the information directly on these channels. So if you don't want to miss out any great opportunities, then do join them. And yeah, you'll be in touch with me. You can share any doubts you have, anything that you feel like about knowing the process or anything that comes up. So for today, this is a bumper job opportunities data because I've taken up only those particular companies that will provide you a very high income, a very high stipend, and that's like making up your life from the first day if you join them. Let's see the ones which we have. So if we talk about the first one, that's okay. Just give me a minute. Okay, the first one is Atlassian. So this is for women specifically. That's a plus point. Or all the females can be here now. Okay, just give me a minute. Yeah. Okay, I hope my screen is visible because that's creating a little issue in mine. I don't know why. Yeah, this is for Atlassian Women in Tech. That's for all the females. So, for all the females of the present batches, that's the batches of 2023 and 2024. So, this is just Women in Tech opportunities. You can say something that will make up your mind or make up your life when you'll get to know the stipend and how good this company is. Now, this is actually for Atlassian Women in Tech, and that's in partnership with Girl Script Foundation. So basically, the Girl Script Foundation is promoting the female candidates in technology, and they actually want to give you an excellent opportunity. So that's basically for you, for those who are graduating in 2023. Now, this is as an full-time role which you will be starting from July. Okay, the July 2023 start. Now, before applying, what should be the criteria that you should follow? So the criteria is first of all, there should be no work experience if you are from Mtech. For BE, Btech, and these. Now, what should be the fields you are in? CSE, ECE, EE, Triple E, IT, and Maths and Computing. These are the branches they are actually considering. Then talking about the average CGPA, the average CGPA of the 6 semesters, because now you are in your fourth year, so till your third year there were 6 semesters, so CGPA should be 7 plus, 7 or 7 plus, and no active backlog. So please keep that in mind. That's a quite important thing, and I have been saying this since starting because many people think that college marks or college degree doesn't matter, but it does if you wanna stand up in any particular company. The criteria, that's the eligibility criteria they have, it consists of the CGPA too. So don't just think that it won't affect, it affects. Now talking about the 2024 batch. Now as said, 2023 is a full-time opportunity and 2024 it would be intern. So intern is actually an 8-week internship. The branches, that is apart from Mtech, the B.Tech remains same. Again, talking about the CGPA. So till your second year, 7 plus CGPA, 7 or 7 plus. No active backlogs. That's the important thing that has to be done. Now, one more thing they have is like if you have participated in the recruiting process for the past 6 months, then you're not eligible. Please keep that in mind because they have your data every time. So don't think that you won't. Now talking about the stipend, that's the very big thing everyone looks out for. So Atlassian is quite good paying company. For full time, the expected CTC is 80 LPA. Somewhere it's equivalent to Google. That's how they pay. Talking about intern, for a month, the expected stipend is 1.3 lakh. So it's much more than the full-time employees of any particular company, you can say. So that's the good thing about these companies. It's the expected one first of all, so it can vary dear about, but not much. So if you're a girl looking out for an amazing opportunity and you feel you're quite good in DSA, or you can crack the system design and all those that's required, then to fill this opportunity, the description and the link is provided in the video description as well as in Telegram and LinkedIn channel. So please go and check them out. Now let's come to the second one. So we have an SD opening at the Craze app. So, and this is basically a backend one. First of all, it's basically a backend role. So if you're looking out for front end, then somewhere it's not for you. Then you can try out some other. We'll have other opportunities too. Talking about the Craze app SDE backend engineering positions, the CTC provided here is 15 to 20 LPA. The stack is Java and Node.js. So Java and Node.js. That's the basic backend they use. It's work from home, work from office. Right now in Bangalore in the Wework, they have provided the location to Wework one. Other perks like relocation, joining bonus, fancy step growth curve for all. Now eligibility, 2022 graduates are eligible apart from 2022 0 to 3 years of experienced people. So you can say 2022 or earlier are expected for this. Now, what is it that you need to do? They are building an engagement and fantasy program for India, platform for India. So what our tech stack? The tech stack is Docker, MongoDB, ELK stack, Node.js, Java, TypeScript, Firebase, BigQuery, Redis, and SQS, and much more. That's more required. You have to scale up the backend as a backend engineer. You have to build a cutting edge and production ready code. Then talking about what you would be doing, first of all, you should have an experience of 0 to 3 years for building clean and maintainable code. Then you must have experience with Node, Java, Docker, MongoDB designs, then architectural microservices, basically if you're working with Java. Then there comes out to be various things for deploying things, high level, and there is what they actually want you to have a backend production ready code builder. Okay. Now, if you join this at 15 to 20 LPA, so your salary would, according to the base, the salary per month would vary from 1.2 to approximately, if you talk about, is 1.5 LPM. That's L per month. Okay. Now, this is also great opportunity. Nothing like females or males. Everyone who is from this particular batches can go up, and that's a good opportunity. Before it expires, every one of you can fill out the form. Let's talk about another one now. This is Teradata. Okay. Teradata is looking out for college graduates right now. So college graduates of the batch 2023 can come up, or even 22 can apply now. The position is for Hyderabad. First of all, what they are looking for, they're looking for SDEs who know about the software development cycle, who have good understanding of core business values, and have all-round view of deployment, learn design, and within work within articulate the product capabilities. Requirements for the role is that you must have the have the knowledge of Unix and Linux, that's the OS, multi-threaded environment. Programming languages could be C++, Java, or Python. Then obviously computer networks is something they want you to know. DSA logical systems is somewhere everyone wants for a software engineer to know. The interpersonal communication skills, exploratory thinking. So basically when you talk about Teradata, so Teradata is providing a good pay package to all of its employees if you talk about, and the average package as a fresher they provide is 8 plus. So if you are looking out and for something relatable, then it's quite easy, you can go up. And the range of SEs also ranges from this. So it's basically how you perform. Link for the Teradata would be provided in the description. Please check that out. And in case of any queries regarding any of things like upcoming videos or upcoming interviews, experiences, anything, just let me know. Talking about Uber. So this is one of the most fascinating companies you must have come across, as it's high paying first of all, and a great work culture. So Uber is hiring for interns of the 2023 batch, but this location is USCA San Francisco. So if you can, then obviously that's a good thing. The people who are pursuing bachelor's or master's, that means they are graduating in 2023, but they should be related to a technical field or have at least one remaining semester of school left after the completion of internship. That means they want you to have this in summer intern, so that you have one particular internship left. Now that's for Indians I'm explaining this, but for others we have two semester springs and the further one. So obviously one should be left behind. It should be the second last semester that you're going through. Now the person who would be doing it should have some experience with previous internships or something like coding competitions, publications that demonstrates that you are a good coder. Then the coding languages they prefer is Go, Python, Ruby, Java, C, C++. Experience with building tools and infrastructure, a desire to be part of a team that delivers impactful results every day. Just know that. And a commitment to understand readable, reusable software. You should have that mindset of knowing and learning, ability to learn new languages, methodologies, and obviously much more than that. Okay. Now we have seen four great internships plus full-time experiences ever seen. So that's what everyone needs to know, that there are various opportunities that are coming up. So if you feel you would be left out of anything, it's not so. The only thing you have to do is you have to study hard. And that's what matters. Because if you won't study, if you won't struggle hard, then obviously there's no one who could come up and provide you a job for free. For going up for any particular interviews, there's a roadmap you need to follow. The roadmap is something that I've already shared. I'll just repeat it again. Whenever you're applying for any company, first of all, look out for referrals. Second, for the OAs, do check out Lead Code, GFG. We have various experiences and archived questions. Practice them. Coming to the interview experience. Now, interview experience is first of all find out the most asked topics by filtering the latest questions that have been asked. Filters see the pattern. Always the company follows a pattern. Use that pattern, the most asked topics. Use lead code to you can say follow them. You can solve those questions. And once you have that particular thing in mind, then just 2 days when you are from your interview, start looking out for interview experiences, because that's what helps. So interview experiences are a very big thing that helps out, so try it out on your own. And for every of these particular openings I have shared, I will be sharing the links in the description box. Apart from these openings, we have various openings that come up daily. So for that, please join the LinkedIn channel as well as the Telegram channel, so that you can be aware of each and every opening every day and you can apply it as soon as possible. For those of the batch of 2023 and 2024, if you're looking out for help regarding your resume, referrals, or anything, you can feel free to reach out to me on LinkedIn. I will be there to help you out. I usually reply within minutes, or you can say within 4 hours, because I keep on checking those. And I try to respond to each and everyone and try to help them out if they need. So if you need that, you can easily approach to me. There's no harm in doing so, because setting up a relationship, a cordial one with your particular seniors, is somewhere that will help you in corporate life. Taking referrals, getting to know about the company, and even getting help in DSS or anything, that's a good thing you can go after. Okay, that's all for this. So keep following Tech Geek, and yeah, check out the Telegram as well as the LinkedIn channel. Thank you.